how to prepare openings of any geometric shape for a wall, and in this video we're going to provide openings by editing the profile of a wall. And before starting, make sure to like and subscribe the channel because I make videos like this regularly. Let's start. Selecting one of the wall. Here I am going with, let's say, plywood sheathing wall, this, and we're going to apply wall opening to this. Under modify tab we have an option for wall opening, and now selecting the option we can simply place a rectangular opening in our wall, and the wall opening allows us to edit the dimensions later. We can edit any dimension, like here I am going with 7 feet, and also you can edit the side dimensions. Here I am going with 1 feet and 6 inches of dimension, and you can also edit any other dimensions for wall opening. Now selecting the other wall and using edit profile tool. By using this tool you are not limited to provide a rectangular opening, but you can able to provide like triangular opening, circular opening, or any polygonal opening in your wall. Now under modify tab you have an option for edit profile. Selecting the option, and now let's say we're going with circular opening. Draw a circle and you can also choose the radius of the circle. Let's say I'm going with 2 feet, and you can also manually adjust the radius of the circle. Now similarly for a triangular opening, let's choose line tool and draw a triangle over here. We need a triangular opening, and that's it. Now if you want to add some polygon, having a polygonal opening in your wall, and just clicking here is the midpoint of the polygon, and you can also adjust the side of your polygon or here, and let's go with 5, and here we go, it's a regular pentagon. And now hit finish, and we have placed wall openings in circular, triangular, and our regular pentagon. And now selecting our third wall, and we're going to manipulate the outer boundary of this wall. Select the edit profile tool, and now we're going with, let's say, fillet arc, and selecting the two lines, and you can also manually adjust your arc, or we can go with radius, let's say 6 feet, and here we go. We have created an arc which is fillet arc, and hit finish. And this is how you can modify external boundary of your wall. And that's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.